Well, I'll give you one thing. Hmm? So, uh, why? Why these fake names, ID theft, and bank frauds, bank transaction? No, no, fake bank accounts of my name. Why? Why? You know why? Why this is happening? Because in the creation date files, there is only one name, and that's my name. File forensics will shoot up my name. Animation data, folder forensics will shoot up my name. I always knew. So they have to be me. Is it gonna happen? Come on, if Stallone tries to be a Jim Carrey, will he become one? Or a Jim Carrey tries to become Arnold, will he become one? No, God made everyone different. God made everyone different. It's not gonna work. This is a, what do you call it? This is not some movie which called uh, The Devil's Double. You see that? The double was forced to become that guy because so on his behalf he would move in places where his life won't be in risk. Eh? A wealthy fellow's life won't be in risk, so he needed that double. Saddam Hussein, Uday Hussein, Saddam Hussein's son. You get that story. Devil's double. So it's never gonna happen. Everyone are different. Everyone are unique. Do you really think using my name, using this thing, doing the bank fraud, you will really become me? Can anyone become me? You are losing yourself in trying to become me. Just because of that file forensics. Because file forensics shoots up my name. And the folder forensics too of the animated data. You cannot become me, you know. No matter how much you try. Don't lose yourself this way. You're losing yourself. Actually, you lost it. Neither you are yourself now, neither you are me. You're somewhere between them. You're somewhere between those two men, guys. Neither you could become me, and you lost yourself in becoming me. You're somewhere in the middle. So, all these visiting places using my name, staying with people using my name, trying to get the fuck out of this country using my name. So, doing the bank frauds, opening bank accounts of my name. So, you bastards, what do you call it? You are in a dreamy world of being me. You cannot become me. It's never gonna happen. How could this be? Who can do this? No one could. Not even God. It's in His hand either. How can you put one soul's, a single person's soul into another person's body? It cannot be done. My soul is attached to my body, your soul is attached to your body. And your soul is now, what do you call it? Moving your body, moving out from your body. You don't know yourself who you are. I know myself very well. I give the truth. Did I give the truth that yesterday though that man confessed he is a man, he is a transfer, and what do you call it? He is a man. That's what I wanted them to expose. Tell the truth. That he is a man. I just have to push in some button. It's not internet button. It's called something. You play it from here. So you are trying to become me. Use this information, whatever I did, to do good thing, but not to become me. You will lose yourself. You are losing yourself in becoming someone else. No, there might be a higher calling than this, that whatever I am doing will be nothing and your soul must be destined to do something great then. Your life is... So, you will lose that thing. So, you lost it. You lost completely. I put you right there where I wanted. Cornered you. Your greed cornered you. Your foolishness cornered you. And your fascination cornered you. So, do the right thing before it's too late. It will be, if you move a little more further now, already you have reached at such a level, it's very, you cannot return back now. You have reached at such a ugliness. You cannot return back. You cannot return back. You know something, when I went out, I met few strangers on the where I was smoking. They got me, they got my story, and they were like, "Bencho, you are a gem." And when I was asking a way to a guy from Panvel till Vashi, I am road amnesia, I said. Some different route I took, but road amnesia is the best thing. They know the ways, they know the maps, and I know nothing. And I ask people, some people show me the right way, some people show me the wrong. And I take wrong twists and turns after that. So, that guy, what he said, when I dropped him details, look, day before yesterday, I headed towards Pune, and I've been reaching here in the morning. Today, somewhere 3, whatever time I reached. So I asked him that I've been drinking for past 24 hours and I did this trip. Mumbai to Pune, Pune to Mumbai back. And he said, "Why? You're living your life. You are the only one who is living your life. No one else." I guess he knows the story. And he says, "You are the only one who is living your life. And you guys are not. You guys want to live my life instead of living yours."